The identity operation is called for to identify an object in programming activity. You want to know if an object A is an object B. You need identity operation to carry out such determination. This is not a madness, it can be a very reasonable activity in programming. The operators responsible for carrying out identity operation are called identity operators, and these are not many, only two. The is operator, the normal is you know in your English class. Here it is an identity operator. The normal is verb is is, and the second operator is not operator. Is not operator. You are is not. This is not the boy. Is not operator. So two identity operators are is and is not operators. The the operators test for memory locations of their operands and return true or false depending on either their operands belong to the same memory locations or not.